Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to print the entire workbook with single click from our mouse. In order to do that, I have prepared 3 different tables from my workbook, and as you can see, I have placed them to 3 different worksheets. I'm clicking the tabs and working and showing all the tables that I have inside my entire workbook. How to print them all with single click? First of all, we have to get the print preview. How to do that? Simply clicking and hold the control key from our keyboard, and after that clicking the P key. As you can see, I see the first worksheet in my workbook, but I want to get all the pages to print them out. How to do that? From the left section, as you can see, we have the settings, and from here clicking down and simply selecting print entire workbook. Let's see what we've got. As you can see, the pager has shown 3 different pages from one, and I can see the 3 different tables that I've created. Now, when you are pressing the print key, you're gonna get the entire workbook printed. I want to show you one more different thing. Let's say I want to print out the sheet 1 and the sheet 3. How to do that? First of all, we are pressing and hold the control key, and from our left mouse click, we are selecting the sheet 3, and after that, we are pressing and hold control and P. As you can see from the pager, we have one of 2 pages. Clicking this, and as you can see, now I will get only the printout of the pages that I have selected in my workbook. So this video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.